Hi guys, it's Daniella again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided that I would show you my really quick go-to makeup. This kind of look is when I'm going out and I just decide I want to put some makeup on and I've literally got 15 minutes to do it. So I'm just going to show you how I get ready really quickly. It's nothing like too out there, it's really basic. So yeah, let's stop talking and let's get started. So the first thing I do is go in with the L'Oreal Glam Nude CC Cream. It's got SPF 20 and it's anti-redness, so it literally covers up my redness, protects my skin from the sun and gives me a little bit of a tint. When I'm doing this makeup, I don't have time to wet my beauty blender, so this is literally makeup that I do with my hands and like brushes. And I literally just rub this into my skin and then I'll go in with a little bit more if I feel the need to. So I'm putting this on like I would like a moisturiser basically. With this look, I don't use my Tarte Shape Tape just because my Tarte Shape Tape is such full coverage. It's too kind of noticeable. So I'll go in with my Makeup Revolution Concealer. And I literally just blend this out with this brush from Primark. I sometimes just use my hands. So the powder that I use once I've done my concealer is the Mineralized Skin Finish in Light. And I literally just put this under my eyes and basically everywhere, just to keep everything in place. And if I sound ill, it's because I am. So like, I'm sorry if my voice is really irritating. And with this powder as well, it's got a little bit of coverage. So that's why I like using it. Then I'll go in with a big brush and just kind of put this everywhere. And I don't really mind if my skin's peeking through still. That's the kind of point of this makeup. I don't want to look like I've spent ages doing this makeup, but I just want to look put together. So once I've done that, I'll go in with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and warm up my cheeks. So I'll use this as well to cover up my like redness on my cheeks and give me a little bit of coverage. But also it gives me some warmth to my skin. The same bronzer colour, I literally put my brush in there, like a blending brush, and go over my eyes with it. With this part, I am quite messy just because I don't really need it to look like proper blended. I just want some colour into my crease, and then I'll go at the bottom. So now I'll do my brows. I'll brush some brow gel into my brows just to keep them in place. I don't fill them in, I just brush this through because this also gives you some colour and it keeps them in place. Then what I'll do is just find any like highlighting kind of shimmer colour that I can. I'm just going to use my Makeup Revolution Soft one because it's right next to me, and I literally just put it in my inner corner and I just kind of brush the rest on my lid, like really messily. For this kind of look, I'll literally go Cupid's bow really quickly down the nose with the same brush, and that's literally it. Like I don't do highlighting on my cheek. And then once I've highlighted my inner corner, I will go in with mascara. I'm using the Essence I Love Extreme Mascara, and I literally just coat this on. So literally that's what I would do to my bottom lashes if I was to add any, which I don't always, but if I've got a little bit extra time, I will just add the tiniest bit just so they're much more darker. This kind of look that I'm going for is kind of like I got ready really quickly. It's kind of messy. It's kind of just like thrown on and I still kind of look put together. And then for lips, I literally grab whatever's in front of me usually and I just put it on. So whatever's in front of me, I'm going to put this on. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer Lip Gloss in Unreal, and usually it's kind of like a glossy product. I add a glossy product just so it's more kind of natural, because having a matte lip with such a basic kind of look would look odd, where a glossy lip kind of can look like just lip balm. And then literally I spray my face. So this is the final look. This is my go-to quick makeup. I really like how quick I do it. Sometimes I'll add foundation, sometimes I won't. It just depends on how long I got. I won't use a beauty blender just because I won't have time to wet my beauty blender. I'll use my hands and my brushes. Your hands are tools, so use your hands. The one thing that I really do like, and I'm so happy I bought, was this product here. It literally like cancels out my redness. It adds some tint to my skin. It has the SPF 20. I really like this for this kind of look, because literally my face feels like I have nothing on. This, honestly, I highly recommend if you don't want to wear makeup every day, but you still want some like little tint. Obviously you can see that I'm wearing makeup, but I don't want to look like I've really tried, if that makes sense. This is like literally like, oh, I just woke up like this, flawless. That's how I want to look. Like, does that make sense? So for this look, I actually just used 8 products, but if you're not going to highlight, you don't even need this, and that would be like 7 products. But obviously this is kind of like handy to me, so whatever's kind of handy I'll use. I usually try to reach for this because I know how it performs. And then literally brows, just some brown mascara through them. Any mascara that's like literally just close to me, I'll grab. This one was the closest to me. I like the MAC powder, especially for this kind of look, just because it has got coverage and it sets, and I like the way it looks on my face, and it's a compact. I don't have to, like, you know, with loose powders I have to tip it out and stuff, where with this I don't have to do that, so I really like that for this. So yeah, I really like all the products I used. These are obviously products that I know that work for me. I wouldn't be trying something new on a day that I just want to kind of rush and get out the house. So yeah guys, this is my go-to. I'm in a rush kind of makeup. I really hope you like it. Hopefully you learned something. You probably didn't, but yeah, this is like the kind of look that I go for if I'm just got like 10-15 minutes to get ready and I just decided last minute that I want to put makeup on. This is the look that I'll go for. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, some comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.